So I know it's been a while since I did a video. So I decided to do one show you a project that I'm working on. This is out of power supply NAC panel, and water had dripped down on it on the power supply. One of my friends pulled it out and he gave it to me to repair. I just wanted to kind of show you some of the damage. Let me see if I can get it focused. There we go. You can see where the water damage is on the board. How it's scorched out several components. I tried to pull a schematic for this particular one, wasn't able to, but once I figure out exactly what all is wrong with it, then I'll show you what I did to find it, and I'll upload that video. Maybe I'll do a little series. If this is something that y'all would like to see me to do, I'll be glad to post more videos on it. Please like and subscribe, and leave in the comment field if you would like to see more of this, and I'll try to post more. And also, if you need some boards repaired, please reach out to me. I'll be glad to see if I can